In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font, font style, and font size in Microsoft Outlook. If you want your emails to look consistent and reflect your personal or professional style, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in no time. And I'll explain what each setting actually does so you can pick options confidently. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. In the top left corner, click the File tab. From the menu on the left, choose Options. This opens the Outlook Options window where you control how the app looks and behaves. In the left panel, select Mail since that's where all the message-related settings live. On the right, look for the section that mentions using stationery to change default fonts, styles, colors, and backgrounds, and click the Stationery and Fonts button. This is the editor that defines how your messages appear by default, so any choices you make here will automatically apply when you compose or reply. Inside this window, you'll see three separate areas, one for new mail messages, one for replying or forwarding, and one for plain text messages when composing and reading. Keeping them separate is helpful because you might want a more distinctive or slightly larger font when you start a brand new email, and something cleaner and more compact for replies. Plain text is different. It strips formatting for recipients, but Outlook can still display plain text on your screen using the font you choose, which makes reading easier for you. Next to each section, click the Font button to adjust that scenario. A familiar font window opens, similar to what you see in Word or Excel. Here, you can pick your font, family, choose a style like regular, bold, or italic, and set your size. There's a live preview at the bottom so you can check readability before committing. For best results across devices, consider widely available fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman, and stick to sizes around 11 or 12 point for the body of your emails. This keeps things professional and easy to read without feeling cramped. When you're happy with your selections, click OK in the font window, then OK again in the stationery and fonts window, and finally OK to close Outlook options. From now on, Outlook will use these defaults whenever you compose a new message or reply and forward. If a recipient doesn't have your chosen font installed, their email app will substitute a similar font, but your layout and size choices should remain readable. That's it. You've customized Outlook to make your emails clearer, more consistent, and more on-brand in just a few clicks. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.